Hello friends! Today I teach how to grow tomatoes in pots from seed to transplant. Let's begin! Start your tomato seed indoors, 6 weeks before your last frost date for your zone. Here in Zone 7, I start seed mid-February, sometimes as late as mid-March. In the small portable greenhouse, I start tomato seed in mid-March as well. Use a light, fluffy seed starting mix to plant your seed. Try to find a mix that contains perlite rather than vermiculite. Vermiculite contains asbestos. Fill a 4-inch container that has bottom holes with the soil. Moisten it prior to planting. As an alternative, you can purchase peat pellets instead. Fill and press the soil firmly in your container. Make sure you have moistened the soil well with warm water. Plant your tomato seeds, a few per container, just below the soil, no more than 1/4 inch. If planting other seeds like cucumbers, plant those seeds deeper, about 1 inch. Seed depth will be stated on the package. As a general rule of thumb, plant the seeds twice the depth as they are wide. Label your containers. Place your seeds in a very sunny south-facing window that does not expire moisture. It can cause your seeds and seedlings to fail. A better alternative is a mini grow kit available on Amazon with free shipping. These kits come with everything you need, including a grow light and heat pad. Tomatoes germinate best when temperatures are 70 to 80 degrees. Remember, keep your soil moist but not wet. Place your containers on a tray and water your seed containers from that tray. The soil will rise up and turn black. At this point, pour out the excess water from your tray. Water every couple days or when needed. When the soil mix turns brown but not dry, it is time to water your tray again. Your tomato seedlings will germinate in 7 to 14 days. If weather permits, when they have at least 2 true leaves, which is a count of 4 on the seedling, you can transplant them in your pot outdoors or in your portable greenhouse. Your outdoor pot should be 5 to 7 gallons with bottom holes. A 5-gallon bucket with bottom cut out works really good, works just great. For a stronger root system, wait until the seedlings have 8 true leaves or more, like this. This usually takes about a month. Snip off all but the strongest seedlings where more than one seed germinated. The older your seedling, the stronger it will be. So waiting a month or 6 weeks is preferred. After transplanting in an outdoor pot, place your seedling in less than full sun, out of strong winds, and in a place where birds and rodents are less likely to damage them. When I transplant, I snip off the bottom branches and plant it deeply. After a few days, and the seedlings are doing well, place the pot in its permanent location. Tomato plants grown in pots do much better with the pots placed on the ground. This allows plants to root through the holes in the earth, allowing more minerals and other natural nutrients. It also makes the plant need less watering for those of you who take vacations in the summer. You can purchase an organic potting soil for the pot or mix your own. I use 1/2 composted humus, 1/2 composted horse manure, and a bit of my own natural soil. This method is inexpensive. You can add organic fertilizers like tomato tone and azomite for minerals. Make sure the azomite is mined in areas free from radioactive fallout from the past test sites. Also make sure it's free of fracking and other possible pollutants. I also cover my plants with pine chips, kiln dried for pets. Fresh mulch can harbor borers and verticillium wilt and other pathogens. This kiln dried pine comes in big bags for pets. Cedar chips work well also. Well, we're We're at the end, and I really enjoyed speaking with you, and I hope I helped. Show your love by sharing, liking, and subscribing. Remember to click the bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Comment about your gardening challenges, triumphs, and dreams. If you would like to support my channel at Grow Health TV, shop on Amazon by clicking the links below. If you make any purchase within 24 hours, I get a small commission. Amazon has many grow kits available. Learn more by signing up for my Patreon at the silver level. The link is below. Let's grow health together. Ciao.